Hey, what's up, guys? This is James Hurst, and welcome to this training on how to track which ads are making you money, making you sales. So I kind of call this the poor man's way to do it. It's kind of built into ClickFunnels. It's not the best. It's not Hyros or anything super expensive. It's like I said, it's built in. But basically, what this is UTM source tracking. Okay, so you're familiar with your different steps here on the funnel, and you have different URLs. So what you're going to do is let's just say go to your home page and go ahead and grab your URL. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the end of it, put a question mark, put UTM source, and then equals, and let's just say Facebook ad from January 1st, and let's say it was about dogs. Okay, so whatever tag you want to put on there, right? And then when you go, when you set the destination, so you're going to take that in advance and you're going to plug that into your destination URL for Google, for maybe display ads for Facebook, right? So when sales come through, they're going to have that little piece of information stored there. Okay, let's check this out. On the back side of ClickFunnels, here, you're familiar with this right here, this part right here, which is steps. If you go to stats, you can then search your stats for a certain UTM source. Okay, so let's just do that here. So I'm going to go back here in the filter for a little bit. I'm going to go back a year. Okay, and right here where it says UTM source. So let's see here. Let's just search. Let's see. Bear with me. I know I have one here. So once you have one, then you can go back and search for it. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't give you a list of the drop downs. That'd be cool if they did, if they would do that. So here is a UTM source that actually had made sales. So I'm going to hit apply filter. And now I can say that UTM source, LL to February 13th, 2021, produced these sales. Okay, gross sales, average cart value, $58.49. Helps me track my advertising effectiveness. The other thing you can do, again, so here's steps. Most people are familiar with that tab. You can also go to sales here, and you can do is export a CSV. So this is last 30 days. I have to go back in time. So I'll go back to all time, for example. Hit export to CSV, which I already did. All right. And that is right here. I already downloaded it. Okay. So here you're going to see, please don't look at the name and address, phone numbers. These are real sales. But if you scroll all the way to the right, you're going to see a bunch of additional info. And if you look in here, at first I wasn't using this UTM source, so they're all blank. But then I got smarter and I started running some different ads in different places, and I wanted to track it. So if I go down here now, you can see it's starting to get populated. Right here. So here's Facebook James 1, Facebook M, whatever that means, Facebook James 1. So I was able to track my Facebook James LAA, lookalike audience. Okay, so they're just right in here, UTM source. That's pretty much the gist of what it is. You can kind of track things that way, see which ads are working. So all you got to do is make that your destination URL, and then those sources will come through in the reporting. Let me know if that was helpful in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.